I've already built a survey for Viverly, a fictional lifestyle brand. So now let's make it look so on brand that people actually want to complete it. In the toolbar on the left, click Style. And here you'll see two main options, settings and themes. First impressions matter, so let's start with our logo. Click Settings and the Your Logo icon, and let's upload the Viverly logo. This logo will appear on every page of your survey. Once uploaded, you can adjust the size and position. I'm going to make this small and center aligned. This logo will also automatically appear in our email invitations, so customers see consistent branding from invitation to completion. Themes are a great way to bring your brand to life. Here's a time saver. Try Generate Theme. Upload any image with your brand colors and SurveyMonkey's AI will extract a color palette. Choose from the suggested font, color, and layout options to customize your theme. And when you're ready, click Done. You can find your generated theme under My Themes in the Themes tab. And you can rename this theme so you can easily find and use it again. See how this changes the vibe immediately compared to the default survey? If you'd like more control, you can scroll down to the preset colors and add your own. Under colors, you can change the color for the title text, question text, answer text, and more. Accents controls your button colors, progress bars, and selected checkboxes. Basically anything that's interactive. After experimenting with the colors, you can see that the color of our button and progress bar is now unreadable. And that's because I've set the accent color and the text color as the same. So I'm going to go back and change this before I hit send. Make sure when you're choosing your colors that the combinations have sufficient contrast, especially for mobile users. Strong contrast improves accessibility and keeps respondents engaged throughout the survey. Typography matters as well for brand consistency. Scroll to find your font and watch the survey update. To remove the SurveyMonkey branding from the survey, click on the footer and choose Hide SurveyMonkey logo. You can preview your branded survey by clicking Preview to see exactly what respondents experience. Always check both desktop and mobile views to ensure your branding looks perfect everywhere. Ready to get inspired? Let's take a look at some insider tricks that will make your survey look incredibly polished. Check out this post-event survey example. We added a custom background and adjusted the layout to create something that really pops. Pretty slick, right? We added a custom image and text that automatically shows up when you share your survey link on social media, messaging apps, or text. The URL preview displays CuriosityCon 2025 instead of a generic link. And your survey takers, they get a personalized thank you message that feels authentic to your brand. We also customized the email sent to attendees with a custom header featuring the event logo, plus we changed the colors and fonts to match perfectly. The result? Everything feels seamlessly connected to your event branding.